Congratulations, you've installed WordPress and you're now ready to start building your web pages to have a nice website. At this point, you have not built any web page and you have not installed any theme. But WordPress usually provide a default theme. Your website will not be just null and void or empty. WordPress installation comes with a default theme that you can see when you navigate to the site. But first of all, let's just go through the interface and understand one or two things here. Now, this is post. When you over on post, you see all posts, add new, categories, tags. If you want to create blog posts, this is the module that you're going to work on. Media, all your media files, audio, video, documents, folders, everything will be stored inside the media folder. Pages, the number of pages that you want your site to have. Here you create unlimited number of pages depending on what you want to build. Comments from people, probably subscribers, people that have commented on your post. This way you see the comments and you may even reply to them via that mode too. Now, appearance, this shows the appearance of your website. You can tweak the appearance, you can customize it, you can edit it if the theme you are using allows you to edit the code therein. You have plugins. This is where you are going to install your plugins, both free and premium plugins, or you upload plugins from your folder or from your system. Users, here you can have roles and permissions, add users, subscribers, editors, administrators, and the likes here. Now the tools available tools. You want to import a site, probably you want to import a folder or a theme from somewhere, or you want to export something. Probably from here you want to export to another place, another site, another hosting site. Use the tool here. Now under settings, that's the first thing you're going to do. You do your settings. Anytime you are using something new, you have to do, first thing is to do the settings. So you need to work out the settings. We are going to do that in the next video. Now I've clicked on the general under settings. I have the site title that I created earlier when I was installing WordPress. Just another website. I can just create an IT Academy. So you can give it a name. That's a tagline that will be displayed for subscribers on the front end. WordPress URL, I'm using the local host, but if you are using a hosting site or a domain name, this is where you have the domain name. It's going to have your own domain name there. Now if you move on, anyone can register. Fine, anybody can register. You don't want to limit. Now if you want to create anybody that wants to register, make sure you don't make them administrator, because they will have access to your admin. Either you make them a subscriber, contributor, author, or editor, but don't make them an administrator, because they will have access to this admin dashboard. July 15, that's the date. You are setting the date here. Time format 9:45 p.m. Then you save your changes if you're okay with it. Now the next one will be writing. You don't need to edit much on the writing page. Go to the reading page. Your latest post, that's the landing page. Anybody that wants to visit your website through the URL, the landing page, your latest post, always try to let them see the first page on your website. We call it the landing page, not the post. So from that landing page you can now navigate to your post. Check this one. I don't have any page yet, but let me just use this page. I can still come back later on and change it if I built a page. Save changes. The next place is permalinks. You can look at the others too. Permalinks. I'm going to use, I like using post name, because look at the format. HTTP localhost macrotext sample post. That is the page, the folder I'm in. So I like using that one. So just come down and click Save Changes. So that is that for the setup for now. If you feel the theme that you are using is not okay by you, like I have here, this is the theme I installed just now. I don't like what I've seen, so I'm going to do another thing. I'll just click on Upload Theme. I want to upload a theme from my folder. Choose File. It will open up your folder. Then you look for the location where you have your plugins. I have mine in plugins. In plugins, open plugins. Now I'm going to choose Astra Sites and open. Install. I'll click on install. It's installing. Install. I'll pause this video while having completed the settings. The next thing is to install a theme to start designing my website. Now I click on appearance. I got to this page. You can choose each of this theme here for starting purpose, or you can even add new if you have a theme that you have downloaded from the internet and you want to use the theme. Let me add new. You can see there are some themes here that I can use. There are some that have been previewed, so I can even use this one. Let me try to use this one. Let me preview it first. This is a preview of what you have. If you're not satisfied, you close this, you go back and pick another one. You can preview this one too. Until you get the one you're satisfied with. I'm going to choose a theme to work with here. I'll choose this one. It's an Astra theme. I love using Astra theme. I'm not advertising their products. I love using Astra theme and with their Astra plugin. So I'll just click on install for the sake of time. So while it is installing, I'll pause this video.